Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a 4x4 double cab, has a silver exterior and the gray leather interior. It has a clean CARPROOF and comes with a 90-day warranty. Let's take a look inside. There's power windows with auto on the driver's side, power locks, power adjustable mirrors, cup holders and storage in the doors. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. It does seat 6 passengers. There's your tow haul. Your automatic headlights. These are the interior lights for the dash. You have cruise control. You get a digital speedometer. You have your odometer there. It's your 4-way flashers. Steering wheel's tilt and telescopic. Has AM, FM radio. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible as well. And this is where your backup camera is. Climate control settings including air conditioning, heated mirrors, your traction control, cargo bed light. It's your 4x4. And you have an extra seat here that does push down. You get cup holders, you have more storage. 2 glove boxes on the other side, one of them is lockable. Review mirror, and your interior lights. They're 17-inch alloy wheels. This is a keyless entry. There's window visors. Tow package is already installed, 4 and 7-pin harness. Tailgate is lockable, and there's your backup camera. Includes a bed liner. It's in great shape. There's power windows, storage in the doors, pockets on the back of the passenger and driver's seat. Has side curtain airbags. There's anchor points for the child car seats. The exterior mirrors are heated and power adjustable. It's an automatic headlight system. It's front tow hooks. It's hood deflector, and there's so much more. Come see our pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Silverado at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.